Thinking about starting a new career in real estate right here in Arizona? Great news, it's more doable than you might think. The journey starts with a few basic qualifications. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, legally residing in the U.S., and ready to pass a background check. From there, the real fun begins. You'll enroll in a 90-hour pre-licensing course. This can be done online at your own pace, which means you can fit it around your life. After that, it's time to take the Arizona State Licensing exam. It might sound intimidating, but with the right preparation and support, you've got this. Once you pass the exam, you'll need to complete fingerprinting and a background check to finalize your eligibility. Then you'll apply for your license through the Arizona Department of Real Estate. Almost there. To officially activate your license, you'll need to partner with a licensed Arizona real estate brokerage. This is where your career really begins. And if you're wondering where to start, look no further than American Realty Academy. Our online courses are designed to help you succeed on your schedule. Enroll today and use promo code FA10 to get 10% off. Your dream career in real estate is waiting. Let's make it happen.